What's up YouTube, it's your boy Just Plays Kicks back on another video, and today we have another restoration on a pair of black infrared 6s from 2014. And as you can see, they're pretty beat up, I got them from a car for like, I think it was like $31, like with tax and everything. So I bought these for $31 and they came with the OG all and the lace locks. They didn't come with laces, but they came with the lace locks. I don't know how that happens, but okay, it's cool. But this is what we're gonna be working on today, so let's get to it. Alright y'all, before we get into this video, I just like to say that a lot of y'all who be watching my videos are unsubscribed. Like a huge majority of y'all who are watching my videos are unsubscribed. And you know, hey, subscribing is free, so you know, it takes a second, so you might as well just do it. And cause I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so that's gonna be pretty good for me. And I got something planned when I hit 1,000, so fast I get to 1,000, fast y'all know what it's gonna be. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk for long, so let's get into this restoration. So first we're gonna go ahead and start off with our Rejuvenated 3-brush laundry kit, so let's go. Alright y'all, so we actually have gone through, finished the black, finished the whole midsole, and boom, it's looking real clean now. Way better than what it did before, like way better than what it did before. But we did the midsole, and actually I have noticed that I ran out of finisher, so I actually have to go to the store and get some more Krylon finisher, matte and crystal clear. I ran out of both of them at the same exact time, which is really weird because I use the matte finisher way more than the crystal clear. But hey, I definitely gotta get some more finisher. But what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna clean the we're gonna go ahead and use our mink oil to go along the top for the nubuck to, you know, darken it back up and bring back that nice nubuck smooth look to it. So that's what we're gonna go do, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and put the finisher on and finish the shoes off, and then we'll be done with the restoration. So yeah. Alright y'all, so that's going to be the end of this video of this Air Jordan 6 black infrared restoration, and these joints looking real clean now. Real clean. I got these off of a steal off Macari, and now they look way better than what I got them for. But also, I'm going to be bringing back my indoor icing setup. I've been working on that. I've been getting it ready, and soon, I'm telling you, like the next couple weeks, I'm definitely going to have a video on it, and hopefully I have a video on it, because I just have to figure out how I'm gonna set it up. So yeah, but that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you guys, hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.